Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Parsec error 6023 step by step. So let's get started. First, go to your Windows search bar, type Firewall, and click on the first option that appears. On the left-hand menu, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Next, in the top right corner, click on Change Settings. Then scroll to the bottom and click Allow another app. Now click Browse. Locate your Parsec executable file, select it, and then click Add. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type the following command. Nginx, copy edit cmd/ktracer at 1.1.1.1.1, then hit enter. This will open command prompt and start tracing the network route to 1.1.1.1. Once the trace is complete, look at the latency values in milliseconds. If you notice a big jump between two steps, like going from 1 millisecond to 30 plus milliseconds, this could be a sign of unstable network routing, which may be contributing to the error. That's it. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.